Turtle TV. Hi, and welcome back to Turtle TV. Today, we're going to be opening up 4 of these Hot Wheels Monster Truck blind boxes. These are really neat, and it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. So, it looks like we have 2 Series 1 and 2 Series 2 boxes. So I saw these at the store, and I just thought it would be a lot of fun to share. And these are for ages 3 and up. Each box includes 1 launcher, 1 die-cast truck, and 2 stickers. Those are all of the Series 2 sets we can get. Looks like they have Hotweiler, Bigfoot, Hot Wheels Racing number 3, Tiger Shark, Zombie Rex, Abysmal, Baja Buster, and Hotweiler Toxic. That's cool. So let's look at the Series 1 box now. For this one, we can get Hooligan, Bone Shaker, Hound Hauler, V8 Bomber, Shark Wreck, Hui Fong Sriracha, Mega Rex, and 5 Alarm. They all look really cool. Let's see, which one do you think I should open up first, Series 1 or Series 2? I think I'm just going to go in order, and I'm going to do the Series 1 first. So let's take a look. Let's get this box open here. Looks like we got Hooligan. So, Hooligan has a little mask. Looks like he's a bank robber type. Ooh, that looks cool. Let's test him out. So, supposedly we're supposed to put the launcher in, like so. We set him on the track. Whoa, that thing goes. Nice. I like Hooligan. What do you think, Ethan?
I like him too.
Okay, let's set him there. And let's get our next one open. Let's go for the next Series 1. Oh, it's a different one. Who is that? Looks like Shark Wreck. Or Shark Reek, the way it's spelled. W-R-E-A-K. Let's see. Let's test him out as well. Oh, those are cool. What would happen if we did this? What do you think, Ethan?
I think we should do it.
Awesome. Oh, that was fun.
Don't get the horse involved.
Don't get the horse involved? Don't hit the horse, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's set that back up. And box number 3, we're moving on to Series 2. Here we go. Looks like we got Abysmal. The one that I mispronounced in the beginning. Abysmal. You ready, Abysmal? Wow, those are a lot of fun. How come we haven't been playing with these the whole time, Ethan?
I don't know.
All right, let's see who wins.
Ooh.
Oh, it looks like Abysmal's the only one who landed on his wheels. I guess that's how we judge a winner, right?
Yep.
All right, let's get our last one open, and then I think we just came up with a new game to see which one wins when we fight them. So here's our last Series 2 box. Looks like we got another different one, and I think that's Tiger Shark. So we got 2 shark trucks. That's awesome. I love sharks. Ethan likes sharks too, don't you, bud?
Yeah, they're one of my favorite animals.
One of your favorite animals. They're one of mine too. So, you know what that means? Since we got 2 shark ones, we have to fight those 2 first, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you ready? Let's see who wins. Who you think's gonna win?
Tiger Shark.
Tiger Shark? Yeah, I like Tiger Shark. Let's go. Ooh,
Oh.
that was a delayed launch there. That's my fault. Let's reset and do it again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one's sticky. You gotta slow down there, Mr. Shark. Give Tiger Shark a chance to launch. 3, 2, 1. Well, I'm gonna change launchers here because it seems like that one's sticky a little bit. See if that makes a difference. There we go. Looks like this guy won. What was his name again, Ethan? Shark Wreck. Shark Wreck. This is Shark Wreck and Tiger Shark. So Tiger Shark's out. We'll leave him there. Shark Wreck's the winner of that fight. Let's see who wins Series 2. You ready, guys? This is Hooligan and Abysmal. Maybe it's just my right hand that's slow in launching. What do you think, Ethan?
Yep.
Boy, that was inconclusive there. We need to do it again. All right, give me a countdown, buddy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Nobody wins that time. So the way we're judging the winner is by who lands on his wheels or who stays on the track. 3, 2, 1. Looks like Abysmal wins. Abysmal. Let's see who's the ultimate champion.
Abysmal versus
Shark Wreck. Yep, Abysmal versus Shark Wreck. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Looks like Shark Wreck's the ultimate champion. Here he is, Shark Wreck, the winner. So, Shark Wreck is from Series 1. He is right there. It's really hard to see, I know. And this is also our Series 1, Abysmal, Tiger Shark, and Hooligan. Oh, wait, no, I'm sorry. Hooligan was Series 1 with Shark Wreck. Tiger Shark and Abysmal were Series 2. Well, that certainly was a lot of fun, wasn't it, Ethan?
Yep.
Yeah, it was. I enjoyed showing off these Hot Wheels monster truck blind boxes with you today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video, possibly even subscribe to the channel to see our future videos. Until next time on Turtle TV, we look forward to seeing you again. Bye, everyone. Turtle TV.